Right, gang, we're in Blue Ridge, Georgia. It's a real nice area over here. It's a nice little downtown area, but I'm gonna tell you what, parking is a mess over here. You're gonna find no place to park. So we're coming to eat lunch over here in downtown area. I looked up a place and we're going to this place right over here. It's called Southern, well, I don't know if you can see it or not. Hold up 1 second. Alrighty. Southern Charm. Well, I can't get the camera to work. But it's Southern Charm Restaurant over here in Blue Ridge, Georgia. It's supposed to be country cooking, Southern cooking with the right touch of Southern charm. I heard they serve you biscuits and apple butter, which Mrs. D is gonna love. And we're gonna go try this out and see if it's worth our time. And parking's in trouble. So Blue Ridge, Southern Charm. We're gonna go check it out. All right, gang. We're in Southern Charm Restaurant in Blue Ridge, Georgia. And we just ordered, and it's mostly country cooking. So what I got the smothered liver and onions with a side of collard greens and Southern style green beans. Mrs. D got her a, what did you get? The country fried steak with fried okra and red potato, mashed potatoes. So we're gonna give this a shot here. And all right, thank you. Ooh, look what they bring you right before your meal. Biscuits, just like I said, biscuits and apple butter from Mrs. D. So we're gonna give this a shot. And thank you. All right, thank you so much. So we're gonna give this a shot. It looked good, the menu looked great. There's a lot of sides to choose from. And I love beef liver. I was either gonna get that or chicken liver. It was fried chicken liver, so I got the beef liver instead. I love liver and onions, I'll be honest with you. So I tell you what, while I'm taping this, let me try one of these biscuits. Now I will not try the apple butter, because I'm not an apple butter kind of guy. But I'm gonna try these biscuits right here. That's a good biscuit. I bet that's homemade. This is a good start, gang. I'm so excited. Just can't hide it. We're gonna try some more. Mrs. D's gonna try that apple butter, and we're gonna let us know how that is after a while too. But these biscuits are spot on. All right, gang. Mrs. D, I just asked her how her biscuits was, and she said, and she said the apple butter is warm. So I guess that's good, Mrs. D. All right, there we go. My biscuit is good too. I don't like apple butter. In fact, I wouldn't know. I never had apple butter before. Maybe I should try it.
Maybe.
Is it sweet?
It's cinnamon.
Oh, no. Can't do cinnamon. Nope.
Cinnamon applesauce.
Nope. Cinnamon applesauce on a biscuit is not for me. But I'm glad Mrs. D is enjoying it. So we're going to be back when our food comes in 1 second. All right, gang. It's Arrow Dufresne. I've got our food. And Mrs. D got her chicken fried steak, like I said, fried okra and mashed potatoes. I got green beans. I gave me some gravy. Collard greens, but the star of the show is the liver and onions. Ooh la la, look at that. That looks good. I'm really excited. Curious to know what Mrs. Dufresne thinks too, but she said give her time. She didn't know yet how it would be. So here we go. Give this a little shot. And look what they gave us too. Texas pepper sauce. Ooh. All right, let me try this liver and onion. Oh, I don't want to knock the camera down. I don't have my stand for it. Take a little liver, take a little onion, Dip it in a little gravy. Oh, that is grilled perfect. Oh my goodness. That really is grilled perfect. It has a good grilled taste. And I love liver and onions. I just don't eat it too much. I'm sure it's not good for me. But what the heck? While we're splurging, we might as well splurge a little bit. That gets an A, that liver and onion. Collard greens. Collard greens are good. That's a good flavor. Give those collard greens a good B. B for sure. And now, green beans. It tastes like green beans. Nothing special. Probably a C. I mean, it's not bad. It's just regular standard green beans. How's your hamburger steak, Mrs. D? I mean, your chicken fried steak.
It's country.
Oh, it's country fried. She corrected me.
It's good.
And it's good. There we go. All right, gang. Give our final. Oh, let me try an okra. Fried okra, if Mrs. D don't mind. That's good too. All right, gang. I'm gonna dig into this. The rest of this liver and onions and stop talking. Because Mrs. D's almost done and I'm just fooling around here making a video. So give our final thoughts outside. But so far, so good. All right, gang. I said I'd give you my final thoughts outside. But I wanted to show you something. Once again, Mrs. D made a liar out of me. I said she never finishes all her food. And look, she did it again on this vacation. Look at me. There is no liver and onions left. And if I could drink this gravy without Mrs. D getting mad at me, I would drink it. It was good. Everything was good. But I'm going to give my final thoughts outside in a little bit. All right. All right, gang. We just left Southern Charm, Southern Cooking over here in Blue Ridge, Georgia, over here. And look, if you've never been to Blue Ridge, I haven't ever been to Blue Ridge, Georgia, but there's all kind of nice little shops and all. It's like a downtown area. There's a train coming. All different types of shops over here. Now parking is a little hassle over here. And this is on a Friday, and the train's right here. So I don't know if you're going to hear me too well. But anyway, let me tell you, Mrs. D is in a store up the road right there. She wanted to go to a store. So that's where she is. But let me tell you, that Southern Charm was a hit. The whole experience got an A. A definite A, okay? That grilled liver and onions, oh my goodness. It was like a grilled steak. Woo, you heard that? Like a grilled steak with those onions. It was just perfect. The portions were perfect. That gravy that came with it, I could have drank that gravy. That's how good it was. I said the green beans were mediocre, but I tell you what, those green beans after I had 2 or 3 bites, excellent, excellent. Everything was just spot on, and Mrs. D's Country's Fried Steak was right on target over here. And again, there's all kind of bars and restaurants, but there's no need to go to any other restaurants or run you down over here in Blue Ridge, Georgia. Just go to the Southern Charm. That's all you need, unless you're looking for something else. But it was excellent. So overall experience, A. Server was super nice. Mrs. D's food was all an A. My food was all an A. Everything was great. Collard greens were great. And I know I shouldn't be eating too much liver and onions, but I just couldn't help myself. I love it. All right, gang. We're gonna be in Georgia until Monday morning. We're gonna have a lot more content. We went to see the Bigfoot Museum on the way over here. On our way to our hotel, we saw Bigfoot Museum, so we stopped there. We're gonna have that on our show on the channel pretty soon, and everything was good. We're gonna have a lot more reviews and content. Mrs. D's waiting for me outside of the shop. I don't see nothing in her hand, so there must have been no good sales. All right, gang. So like and subscribe so you can get more of this content. It's cold out here, and we will be back with more content soon. So like and subscribe. And with After Show Chat, this is HD. This is Mrs. D. Everything was good. She gives it an A also, don't you, Mrs. D? Yeah. All right, everything was great. We'll see you next time. HD with After Show Chat.